आज ही डाउटनट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
The given statement first is the triangle ABC is a right angle at A moves so that its perpendicular sides touches the curve. It is the equation of ellipse at all the time. Okay. Then the loci of the point A, B and C are circle. The statement 2 says the locus of the point of the intersection of the two perpendicular tangents to the curves is a directive circle. Okay. So there are two statements is given and the following options are both the statement A and B are true. Statement B is correct explanation of A. Okay. Second one is the both the statement are true but the B is not a correct explanation of statement A. The C is the statement A is true and the statement 2 is false. Okay. And the final D is the both the statement are false. Okay. Let's try to solve the question. Given there is a equation of ellipse. Let's take a ellipse. Okay. Now the given there is two perpendicular tangents to that ellipse. Okay. Let's try. Okay. This A is a point of H comma K. Okay. And it is A. It is given that both are perpendicular. Okay. Let the slope of the tangents be m1 and m2. Okay. Let's consider this one is m1 and this is m2. The given that both are at perpendicular. Okay. We know that if the two lines are perpendicular to each other, then the slope, then the multiplication of the slope become -1. Okay. This equation will help the next step. Okay. Now we know that the tangent to the ellipse is, so the equation of the tangent to the ellipse is y equal to mx plus under root a square plus m square plus v square. It is for a standard ellipse equation, that is a square by a square, x square by a square by y by b square equal to 1. Okay. Now here we put y equal x y h y h k. Okay. Actually we are trying to get the equation the slope. Okay. Sorry, we are trying to get the locus of the point of A. Okay. Now after putting the values, it becomes the equation become k equal to m h plus under root a square m square plus b. Okay. Now solving this equation, minus h under root a square m square plus b. Now squaring both sides, a square equal to m square plus b square. Okay. Now expanding the equation, it becomes k square plus m square h square minus 2khm equal to a square m square plus b square. Okay. Now putting all the value in one side, we get m square h square minus a square m square minus 2k hm plus k square minus b square equal to 0. Now you can see that it is an equation of quadratic in the form of h a square minus a square h square minus a square into m square minus 2kh m minus k square minus b square equal to 0. You can simply find that this is a quadratic equation of m, where we know the m was slope. So actually we are finding the slope, okay. The root of slope. Okay. And we know that for the any quadratic equation, the product of the roots becomes c by a. Okay, and we know that it is as m was slope, and we already get that m1 into m2 was m minus 1 from the equation 1. So as we can see that we will get the form, we will apply the formula product of roots in the form of m1 and m2 equal to minus 1. Okay, what we get, where our c becomes c is, you can from the quadratic equation you can get c equal to k square into b square, and a was minus h square minus a. Okay, sorry, it was a minute. Okay. Now our equation will become, from this we will put this c by equal to minus 1. Okay, c by a equal to minus 1. While putting the value of c and k is k square b square by h square minus a square equal to minus 1. After solving this, it become k square minus b square. It will become minus k square plus a square. Now we will keep k square plus h square in one side, and it become a square plus b square. Okay. Now we'll putting hk into xy to get the equation in proper shape. It become x square plus y square equal to a square minus b. Okay, now you can simply see that it is a equation of circle. Okay, and it is also called the equation, it is also called the director circle, equation of director circle. So we can say that our both equations, both statements are correct, and also the statement B is the explanation of A. Okay, thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।